Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change language on Facebook Lite. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Facebook Lite app in your device. Then tap on three lines icon. Next, you can see the option of language. Tap on it. After that, select language of your choice. Here I am selecting Filipino language. So, this is how you can change language on Facebook Lite. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.